Hello everyone, welcome in this video. So today I have this headphone, Sony. It's a very nice headphone. I use it like for many years. Its name is CH700N. I mean, if you have one of these, you definitely need to keep them. They will last for years with no issue. So basically here, as you can see, the earpads, they are almost done. We need to change them. So to solve this, I brought these two AirPods here, and these I bought it from AliExpress. Hope they will last. Actually, I don't know about the quality about them. I may update it on the channel later to tell you how long these last. Also, if the material here can cause allergy or not that good. Let's see. We can see later. Anyway, so to start with, how we can do that? So first I will go to remove these. Man, you see, even the battery is still like full, and I didn't use this headphone since maybe 1.5 years because I have others. So first thing, I remove the old ones. Okay, it's very easy, like you put it on the side. I will do the same for the other side. Okay, and these I will get rid of. You see, they're like, yeah, you see here all the sponge is out, but yeah, you can have an idea about the quality of the material that Sony uses in this headset. Okay, see, it's strong actually. Look, this is like very sharp. Look, try it again. See the quality of it's kind of leather. Look, it's not breaking. This is very sharp actually. I don't know how we can show that it's very sharp, but look how strong is this thing. So as I told you, I've been using this headset for maybe 6 years or so. For that, it's okay. See, it's very strong. But anyway, that's just to give you an idea of the quality of the material that Sony is using. I don't know right now if they still have same quality. So to put this thing inside first, you see, okay, this way, and then I put my finger right here and I continue entering the other side. See? Okay. Let's get it inside. Yeah, you see it's entering, good. Yeah. I think I made a mistake. I should keep my finger right here and then entering. Okay, like this way. You see, now it's entering. Very good. Oh, very good. Okay, this one side, I think we are good. Just making sure that fits well. Okay, that's one side. Let's continue with the other one. Looks fine. Let's do the same for this one too. So you see, guys, here now they're both in their place. Looks brand new. I'm very happy with the result. And yeah, I will either keep those or sell them. You think about it. But yeah, I mean, I will leave the link of this product in the description, so in case you want to renew the earpads of your headset. And thank you guys for watching. See you in another video. Bye.